Coronavirus, COVID-19 pandemic. How can you protect your family? Is washing your hands the only thing you can do to protect yourself during this global outbreak? Or are there other things you should be doing to protect yourself and your family? Welcome to Virus Safety 101. Hi, my name is Robin Roberts. I'm a former American Red Cross County Director and local disaster lead. I helped train and deploy national disaster response personnel and write local disaster response plans. As a mom and a disaster responder, I want to let you know about some additional steps you can take to protect your family during this COVID-19 outbreak. In this video, I'm going to cover the coronavirus and how to keep your family safe, steps you may have missed in fighting this virus, and what you really need to have on hand for supplies during this pandemic. We are fighting a virus, the coronavirus. If you've ever fought off a cold or a flu, you have fought a virus before. This coronavirus is much more aggressive and contagious, but it is a virus. What can we do to fight a virus? Your first line of defense against a virus is always your own immune system. Recent research published by the Journal of Biological Chemistry, dated 2018, suggests saltwater saline solution plays an essential role in defense against viral infection. And if saline and salt water can support that immune system, I strongly suggest we look at using it. Just like Grandma used to say when you started not feeling well, maybe gargle with some salt water. This is interesting now that it's actually backed up by science, and research has found that salt water and saline solution can support antiviral resistance. It can strengthen the immune system and it enhances resistance to viral activity. Why not use this tried and true system? Washing your hands and waiting around just doesn't seem like the best answer. We can't be hermetically sealed, and we're not perfect. We're gonna touch our face, especially during these stressful times. It's almost a subconscious reaction. You could add one more step to your washing routine. Wash your hands, gargle with salt water, rinse your nasal passages for a full antiviral cleanse. So Grandma was right, and now she's backed up by research from scientists and the Mayo Clinic's recommended in their Home Remedies book and their Health Guide A to Z. Do a little more than wash your hands. Working with and supporting your immune system is your first line of defense. It's your key to fighting off this virus and not being a friendly host. Make a salt water gargle and rinse your throat a couple times a day. Rinse your nasal passages with a saline mist or drip. In your new virus hygiene habits, please consider these new recommendations as vital as washing your hands. Remember, wash, gargle, rinse. Wash, gargle, rinse. So let's talk about what you really need to have on hand during a pandemic. These are not your key virus fighting tools. Below I have a free PDF for you that has the 12 key things that you could be purchasing. It's a free download. The link is in the description. So what will we really need? Our medical facilities are going to be overwhelmed with those in the severe and critical levels, not to mention regular medical activities that need to go on. So you might be taking care of yourself or a family member at home. You need to have plans to take care and comfort them and getting them through their recovery. There are about 12 main things that I suggest you have on hand during this pandemic. You may already have some of these things, but let's go over the list. The first thing I suggest is a good quality vaporizer. I like the steam vaporizer. Higher humidity is great. Other things you want to have is a good quality thermometer. You want to go back to your regular things, much like cold and flu season, maybe some Dayquil, NyQuil tablets. If you have kids in the home, you want to have some cough suppressant. Make sure they're pediatric if they're young children. Of course, you want to have your saline solutions and Epsom salt. I like to have some nasal decongestant, some chest, like Vicks Vapor Rub, some cough suppressant or sore throat spray, some mucus relief, good bar of soap and nail brush. And of course, wouldn't hurt to have some gloves. You want to have some extra vitamin C available. These are the things I recommend. Something you could add to the list is your favorite antivirals. Some people prefer tea, some people like different types of homeopathic tablets and herbs, but make sure you have some on hand if those are your preferred treatments. So how do you protect your family from a virus? As we've seen from scientific research and suggestions from the Mayo Clinic, saline solution and salt water are key players to add to your antiviral cleanse. Remember to wash your hands with bar soap and clean under your fingernails with a scrub brush. Use a good saline drip to rinse out your nasal passages, and dissolve some Epsom salt, maybe a half a teaspoon in a glass of water, and gargle it once or twice a day. Wash, gargle, rinse. Wash, gargle, rinse. This virus is very aggressive, and we need to be aggressive with our cleaning. Thanks for watching this video. If this video was helpful to you, please like and share it with other people that may need to know this information. I welcome your comments below. Please tell me where you're from or what other questions you may have about pandemic planning for your family. If you would like to see future videos, please hit the subscribe button or the notifications so you will know when we put up our new videos. Thank you. Stay safe. Remember, wash, gargle, rinse. Wash, gargle, rinse. We're in this together.